Hello everyone, this is Jade Balden and I am so excited because I am inviting you to join me for the 30-day Cleanse and Restore Challenge in January. So in this video, I'm going to cover what we're doing, okay, why we're doing it, how we're doing it, and who should do it. Alrighty, so what is it? It's the doTERRA 30-day Cleanse and Restore program. So we're going to do that, plus because you're with me, I like to help people cleanse on the physical level, the emotional level, and the spiritual level too. So we'll do all of that in 1 month. Okay, and I'm excited because we can do it. Also, why are we doing this? A lot of us have health problems, okay? On the physical level, we've got inflammation, we've got, aches and pains, and we've got oxidation happening in our body. So a lot of us have rotting happening on the inside, in the organs, in the gut, and we just need to cleanse it out. It's sort of like a dirty kitchen. You can't just ignore it and put a blanket over the top of it. It just eventually needs to be cleansed. And a lot of us don't know how to cleanse deeply and effectively. Sometimes juicing, sometimes eating organic and healthy foods, yeah, but it doesn't cut it. Okay, with the Cleanse and Restore, it goes deep, deep, deep into your cells, opens that fat, inside the cells, and releases toxins. Toxins that can be stored there for maybe 10 years or so, all right? And it kind of, scratches out and cleans out all the things that are crusted on the inside of you, okay? So if you have smelly breath in the morning, that's the rot you're smelling on the inside. Yuck, right? Okay, if you've never done this before, I'll go through it with you. If those people who are fantastically experienced, okay, you guys can add to the conversation when we start helping people out. So I talked about inflammation, right? So inflammation has a lot of names. It says arthritis, it's diabetes, it's all sorts of gut problems, your diverticulitis, and IBS, and all sorts of problems with the gut. But then that means that we have problems with the skin as well, because if your gut is yucky, a lot of us have skin problems. So you've got allergies and eczema and psoriasis. And then, of course, it affects your fertility. And then if you have the messed up organs, you have sleep problems, right? So you'll be up all night, going to the bathroom. So all of those health problems, we're going to attack it front on and permanently now. Also, when you have a lot of toxins in your body, inflammation, oxidation, you have a lot of emotional problems. So you have problems like depression and a whole slew of other things too. So we'll go through that and talk about how to get rid of those things, okay? So it's not as difficult or complicated as you might think. The other thing too is we're going to cleanse your environment, all right? So watch out, we're going to have some challenges, daily challenges that you can do. And then we'll have, relationship cleansing, right? We'll do other fun things that I won't tell you all about that. But in the end, you have some permanent changes, some good health, good healthy energy. You'll feel younger. I seriously feel younger than I was when I was 28. I mean, at that age, I was like, couldn't lift a bag of groceries without hurting. I had aches and pains, couldn't get out of bed without, rolling off onto the floor. All that will change for you, okay? The other thing too is it'll help you, because you're cleansing on all levels, it'll help you be awakened. So that's my biggest goal for you, is to awaken to your life's purpose so that you can go out and serve, okay? Because we have stuff to offer the world, but because we're so caught up in all of these things that are in our way, that we perceive it in our way, we don't get to fulfill the measure of our creation. So I'm hoping that we have hundreds of people doing this challenge with me this next January, okay? So that is why we're doing this. And I'll share with you things like, you know, the recipes and the tips and the tricks that I do. And I welcome some of your ideas too, because I don't know everything. I just have some ideas that works for me, but I know you do too. So we're going to share, okay? That's why we do this challenge, strength in numbers. Alrighty, so how are we going to do this? So the most important thing right now is for you to order your whole cleanse and restore kit. If you do have a doTERRA wholesale account, you can buy it for the discount, all right? But if you don't, if you buy the enrollment kit, right, it's going to save you a lot of money anyways, and you'll get a free membership. So if you don't have a membership, talk to the person who shared this video with you, and they should hook you up. All right, but when you do buy it, buy an extra TerraZyme, because when we order it in that kit, they only have one TerraZyme, but you do need two. And I don't want you to be frustrated halfway through when you run out of stuff like this, okay? So buy two, and we'll talk more about each of the products and what they do for your body as we go along. So I have a Facebook group that you can join. The reason why we join a separate group is because this Facebook matrix thing, it doesn't allow you to receive notifications as much as it used to in the past. But if you're in a group, there's more likelihood that you get that notification. And that is the place where you can feel safe and share some of your experiences. So if you experience some symptoms where you're uncomfortable, you've got headaches, you know, you're wondering, why does my pee smell so bad? Well, you can talk about it in there, okay? Because everybody in there has the same goal as you, okay, to be healthier and happier, all right? And no one's gonna judge. We probably all have the same questions, so that's another way for us to discuss and have a lot of participation. Now, I also have information on my website, especially Cleanse and Restore post. I have daily emails that I can send you, all right? So when we start, don't do it yet. When we start, you put your email in, boom, and subscribe. And what happens is you'll get daily emails to remind you what to take, and maybe information that you might need at that point in time, because sometimes you experience some things and you think, oh, is it normal? And you know, you just want to read about it. Okay, you don't want to discuss it with anybody, you just want to read about it, and that's fine. So there's your way. So you've got Facebook, okay, so you've got to join our Cleanse and Restore Facebook group, okay, and it's not public, so that's why you need to join it. Then there's the website, and I invite you to participate. So we'll have some challenges where I say, take a photo of your bed or whatever, okay, because it's about cleansing your environment, right? And so you can post pictures, and then I'll do a random pick, and people can get prizes and stuff. Alrighty, this way we will all support each other and continue to be successful, okay? So it's that 1 New Year challenge that you can keep. Okay, so who can participate in this? If you're pregnant, I invite you to sit out on this challenge, please, because there's enough happening in your body, and you don't need to be releasing too much toxins. If you're very sick, right, you might want to start with lemon oil now, okay? Give yourself 2 or 3 weeks of citrus oils to cleanse, maybe do the supplements a little bit just to get your body acclimatized, okay, get used to it. Because what happens is when your body releases a lot of toxins, sometimes you might feel kind of sick, okay? So just to prepare you for that, start slowly now, and then you can do the full cleanse when we all do it together, okay? So some of you might say, well, I have this happening. Just start, and you don't have to be perfect. You can fall off the wagon a little bit, as long as you're, jump back on and you go with us, because what this is a lifestyle change. Okay, you feel so good. There's this new level of health for you. That's your new norm. And you think, I'm great. And then maybe 2 months later, you have a newer level of norm where you have even more energy, more mental clarity, and things are like, not so overwhelming anymore for you. And you think, this is my new norm, okay? So you get to the point where, like I said, you have more awareness, more awakening, and you just want to go out there and fulfill your purpose here on earth. All right, the only two groups of people that I am concerned about are the people who are pregnant and the people who are super duper sick and on a gazillion medications. So for those people, yes, stay on your medications, but start doing your lemon oil and maybe lifelong vitality pack just to, you know, get your body cleansing. All right, and then you can start with us. Otherwise, if you're 15 and up and you know, are generally okay, then this is the right time for you to do this cleanse. All right, because it's awesome and you're gonna love it and we're gonna have so much fun together. All right, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and I talk to you next time. Bye for now.